Yo, DC, what's up? Just letting this load. It's probably an odd timing in the US. Just let this load up a little bit. What's up, people? What's up? What's up? Can you all hear me? That's the most important thing. Got to go, bro. Okay. Can you all hear me? That's the most important thing. Is my mic working? All right. Okay. So, just let the stream load up a little bit, maybe about 5 minutes. Yep, you guys are reading it, not shilling it. What's up, people? Just wanted to try the new green screen feature on the Logitech C922. Yeah, Nev is way overbought, bro. There's no way that we can buy Nev at this point of time. It was so quiet previously, and then suddenly it just moved up crazy. All right, good. Okay, guys. All right, so we have 50 people. I'll just go. Okay, so for Qtum, Mainnet launches September on September the 13th. So in terms of features and functionality, you're looking at decentralized governance protocol, EVM, UTXO, proof of stake consensus, and mobile smart contract functionality. Extremely exciting, very comparable to Neo. In fact, I find that they are more capable than Neo. No offense, but I mentioned that like yesterday. If you all were watching, you know that if I gave the levels to purchase, and to me, I find that if you want to enter Qtum, you might want to wait for a pullback to 0.0035 levels. Okay, so I'm streaming, please. I'm streaming. Okay, so for the fact that now, right, you're having a team of 30 plus people. You're having strong financial backers on Qtum. So there's literally all that momentum happening for the full of September. So like I said, wait for a pullback. I'm not asking you guys to enter now, because when I mentioned it yesterday, it was one of those perfect times, because there was a delay on coin one, and you know, they may be a slight profit taking at the 0.0045 levels, but it's okay. I think at the end of the day, taking profit, because don't forget, there are people who bought anywhere from 0.0025 to 0.003. Okay, so don't forget, there are people definitely gonna be taking profit on the 30 to 40% profit mark. Now let's take a look at of course the roadmap. Okay, let's have a close look at the roadmap now. So as you can see, I think Qtum team, they are really focusing on delivering on time. So that means they plan ahead, right? They're planning ahead. They're giving you something to look at. It's a little bit more predictable compared to most of the other cryptocurrencies that we've noticed. So if you look at the mainnet scheduled in September, you're going to have a wallet. So the moment that the wallet is out, you are able to at least send and receive Qtum. I think that's the most important. Now, staking obviously will be done via the desktop. So that we do not know exactly how much dividend we are going to receive. So I noticed that most popular dividend market rates are anywhere from 6 to 10% per annum. So there will be people who will want to look for these kind of cryptocurrencies in their portfolio, and Qtum I would highly recommend. Now, of course, there are other cryptocurrencies, we can talk about that later, but for now, let's just focus on Qtum first. Then in November, you're going to, of course, you can see the Qtum integration and API release. So when you see API releases, it's not just for smart contracts, it's also wallet integrations as well. So for example, just quote another crypto here, we're talking about ARK. ARK recently, on 1st of September, they're going to get integrated into Ledger Nano S. As you can see, ARK is doing very well. They were already on a proof of stake algorithm, a consensus algorithm. People can earn ARK, and I'm not too sure about the exact Oh, thanks, man. so or you already can stake up. Okay, those who have up know that, especially if you bought around 80 cents to 90 cents or even cheaper than that, you've been earning up through the delegated proof of stake, right? So it's going to be very interesting when once we see all these cryptocurrencies that have this staking mechanism, and Qtum is the first proof of stake proof of stake algorithm for smart contracts, for a smart contract platform. So that's going to be interesting in itself, right? So we'll only know once the full mainnet functions. Sorry Prakash, we are full already. In fact, we had to reject people because I only cap it at 300 people per group. Okay, so now we're looking at the API release, as I mentioned. So you have the release of the Kloha, a WeChat wallet for mobile use. I think this is going to be very popular with people in China because people in China already use WeChat for payment. So they're obviously integrating that. Release of the Spring Mail email integration, smart contract life cycle management. So these are very much real world applications. So from the very get-go, they want to hit the ground running. So of course, hold on. For September, the enthusiasm and momentum should carry Qtum to at least maybe $25. It's already $20 is already a psychological cap for now, because like I said, the mainnet release will be the one that will cause it to rise in price. So I would always prefer to be more conservative than aggressive at this point, because when I was very aggressive, I didn't have time to do much videos, so I really apologize. And it's the pricing now is not the best because firstly BTC is up. It's at 4,400 US dollars as of now. So the US dollar is value of your cryptos are increasing. Also, if you look at the BTC prices, especially for Qtum now, it's really too high. It already increased by quite a lot. So try to understand that we want to make sure that, especially for this channel, I want people to enter at the most optimal prices. Never ever chasing stuff. Please do not FOMO. Okay. Now, okay, let's look at the levels. So as you can see, it's too parabolic. Okay, it's too parabolic. Like I said, if you want to enter, it would be the best if, okay, I'm looking at the 1 hour chart. Okay, so let's just draw a Fibonacci first, and then from then let's pick up some levels. This is on the 1 hour chart. Clearly it's already overbought. Okay, on the 1 hour chart, it's already overbought. So please don't bother chasing it at the moment. Let it taper off. Your best bet would be around the 36 to 37 levels. That would be the best. Okay, that would be the best for you to start picking up Qtum again, right? But if you pick stuff up now, then obviously you want to see maybe some consolidation at this price. But that's very aggressive also. 0.004344 is too high. Let me just give you some perspective, okay? Let me just give you some perspective. So I'm going to be pulling it to 12 hours. You just look at this. It's a strong green candle. So I would never advise anyone picking stuff up here. So it already broke this resistance. Okay, so this resistance, let me draw a line. It already broke this resistance, and it's okay. So if most of the time you're always going to have a pullback of say 30-40% from this candle, 30-40% should not be a problem, right? It's very normal because people want to take profit, especially people who bought around here. This large candle here, obviously a whale kind of bought it up, right? Because it's a 12-hour candle, so a group of traders bought it up here and here, will always take profit around here. Okay, so as you can see, there's a resistance here already. See, this is the resistance. Let me just draw the line again. Okay, now let's see whether it matches up with the Fibos. Okay, so well, it doesn't match up as nicely, but it's still okay. So you see, it already broke the 0.78 786, which is 439,785. Okay, yeah, thank you very much. You know, it's for you guys. Like I said, it's for you guys. And like I said, if there's money to be made, there's money to be made. So if you had jumped in yesterday, when I asked you guys to buy, you already would have made some money already, right? See, this is the 12-hour candle. If we do a 1 day, yesterday I started talking about it. It was here. You already would have made this spread, right? See, this is your spread. This is your profit. How much is that? Let me see now. Yeah, you guys are already even yesterday you're already up 17%. But it's a very exciting month for most cryptocurrencies, as I mentioned yesterday. That's why I kind of came on purpose, because I didn't want to say like I don't want to like shill it unnecessarily, because I wouldn't know how Qtum would perform once it hits coin 1. I really wouldn't know. But I do know that the mainnet is going to launch. I do know that a wallet is going to be launched. So that's why I asked you all to buy, not because of pure momentum speculation on a particular exchange, because exchanges launching coin 1 is big in Korea, by the way. They're not a small exchange, so there is some excitement. Also, there's going to be a giveaway, right? So this please take note on that. So okay, now let's talk about folks who didn't buy, right? They don't know who I am. They want to get in. Okay, so I would safely say that you might want to queue. Okay, so I think we need to pull this a little bit. Okay, so I would say that getting in, if you can, okay, if you can, yeah, hold on, I'll get to that. If you can, you know, 3.7 seems very unlikely now that I'm looking at the candle, because a 1 day candle to have such a strong push up, 17% in market value. You know, I forgot to do the market roundup. Okay, so if you look at the top 10 right now. Okay, just give me a second to reload this. Okay, so we are currently at 160.8 billion market cap, which is of course insane. Bitcoin prices are capped at 4,400 at the moment. So Ethereum has already broke 350. Okay, so same thing. I don't know whether, I can't really remember whether I mentioned Ethereum yesterday, but Ethereum was one of my picks. $300 was the time where it was awesome to buy, and then after that it started to move up. Same thing, it's a very large market cap. It's 33.2 billion. So you gotta give it some time before you see more money flowing into it. There are so many factors. I don't think so. I have no notifications on my computer. Okay, so maybe I'll turn off some of it. Must be from the Telegram guys. So sorry about that. Okay, so now, okay, so another thing I want to highlight is Bitcoin Cash also might make a move. We'll go into the charts later. So I'm just looking at the top 10 right now. So NEO, as you can see, NEO is now at 1.9. People are obviously still buying NEO. They still like it slightly below $40 because of the dividend. That's good. Oh, sorry about that, man. Yeah, it's the Telegram chat, bro. Yeah, I kind of turned it off, so I'm not sure whether it will still pop up, but please bear with it, okay? Because I can't turn off the I turned off the Telegram chat. I shut it down already. Okay, so now NEO, people still want to pick it up, but it's dropping in terms of volume. As you can see, it's already consolidated. So I'll go into the charts of NEO. IOTA looks like it looks like a decent buy because it got sold down quite recently. Dash is already way overbought, like crazy overbought. Litecoin made a push as well, so I'm pretty happy, especially those who had Litecoin ever since I was shilling it back in the $30 days. I hope you all still have it, a little bit of it at least. Ripple, well, I don't have much comments. It has a very strong market cap. I guess the people who invested in it are not moving out of Ripple for sure. Maybe there were people who were caught very, very high up in Ripple. Yeah, so no, we're not going to talk about only Qtum. but just wanted you to know the potential of Qtum. Yeah. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, Qtum. Yeah, Qtum will keep moving up, guys. Not. This is something that will. I mean, it's for sure. Qtum will always be going up. MCO. The reason why I'm not really shilling MCO because it looks very much like Pay, right? 10x. So it's not very exciting. Yeah. I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't touch MCO. I'd rather, if you really want to buy a crypto, I'd rather you try 10x. Yeah, I'd rather you try 10x or you try OMG, not MCO, because you're buying at the high already. Okay, so before I move on, firstly, take a look at Qtum's market cap is at 1.1. When I was talking about it, it was anywhere from 800 to 900, so it grew tremendously in terms of market cap. So we need to be very, very careful. In terms of, I have no idea where H shares popped up from. Suddenly it has 1 billion in terms of market cap. Omise Go, look out for it, please. If it's anything, Omise Go would be my go-to, my next one. If I ever took profits, I would definitely go into Omise Go. No comments about BitConnect. It has that referral element feature and everything like that. Yes, I understand it's loaning cryptocurrencies in terms of like a smart contract element. Yeah, it's already 0.00545. I'm not asking you guys to buy Qtum at the moment. I'm just telling you about Qtum so that if there is a decent dip from where it is now, you can enter. Okay, now the risky cryptocurrencies are in the 16, 17, basically 17, 18, 19 slots, right? You see, these slots are basically not having the momentum. See, like 10x used to be very, very high up. Now it's already number 20 already. So it can drop out of the top 20, guys, very easily. So just watch out for that. Okay, so now let's go to the charts very quickly. So okay, just so you know, folks who want to re-enter Qtum, conservatively look at the 0.0038, okay, 3837 levels if you're lucky. And if it has to increase, I will come up with another video with a higher level. So another higher level would be the 0.004. 0.004 would be okay because that would be a significant pullback from the current level now, close to 70%. That means the whales or the traders who decided to buy are not interested in really holding. They want to sell down. Most likely the sell down is not coming from these traders, by the way. It's coming from the traders here, the buying from here. Okay. So take note. Now let's go to Omise Go. So Omise Go looks extremely promising because there's a bullish pennant flag that is forming on the 1 day. Okay, so let me just draw that out so that maybe you can see it a little bit clearer. Okay. I have a small position of Omise Go back in the $6 region. I think it should be here, around here. I can't really remember where I bought it. Maybe, oh yeah, sorry. My Omise Go level was here, 0.0015. Yes, that's where I bought it, right? So that's where I bought it, 0.0015. So I bought probably during these periods. You see these wicks here. Let's try to do a shape. Where's that shape? Oh, oops, sorry. So basically the okay, so I bought during this period. Okay, I bought during this period. This period here, so that's why I could catch it at 0.015. Okay, okay, let's try to see what are your questions. What value to get into OMG? Okay, that's a good question. The value to get into OMG is because they have an existing infrastructure. They already have a network of customers from their parent company Omise, right? So they are already into payment processing and they are focusing on the banking, the unbanked, having mobile apps. Their project, right, is very closely linked to Vitalik because I think Vitalik is helping them out. There's also I think it's a platform that's built on Plasma as well. So Plasma, I would assume, is like an adapter that allows for faster transactions, more interactivity between the smart contracts. Yep. Okay, please tell me about PIVX. You know, PIVX is just one of those what do you call wow, what's that term? Privacy coins, right? So I would say that it probably got momentum because it's considered cheap in terms of value. So you see the privacy coins, and now if you look at it, in a matter of 5 days, it has already risen like really drastically. So maybe let's say you want to get in, let's say you really want to get into PIVX, right? Let me give you a level. Let me give you a level first. Okay, so it clearly is having a resistance at the 0.000729. So you might want to have some pullbacks. As you can see, you have a chance, because there are pullbacks here, and pick up some PIVX at 0.00064649. Okay, that is probably a chance that you can pick back PIVX. Now PIVX, I understand that they do have some kind of staking algorithm, meaning that you can probably stake your coins, if I'm correct. And if they do that, I think that's one of the plus points that you can consider buying. But let me check the market volume first. And then let me just take a look at PIVX. Okay, the volume isn't fantastic. It's an okay market cap, I guess, 169 million, but I would say that it is like you look at just look at the volume, guys. Okay, just look at the volume. The main volume only comes from Bittrex. It's not like super popular, right? It's not super popular, and the rest of these other exchanges, these are for very, very small orders. So I struggle with that, because I always believe in the larger market caps for ample liquidity, so that your orders can your buy and sell orders can be filled up. Okay, so this is just my thoughts. If you're buying in decently less than $1,000 to maybe $5,000, I think it's still okay. You have a ton of PIVX to stake anything. Yeah, okay, fine, yeah. Like I said, I don't have it, but I know I read it before that it does have an opportunity for you to stake. So you can earn PIVX by all means. I think it's pretty good. Oh, okay. So Ted, you staked 1,200, not much success. How much was your dividend? Don't mind me asking. If you don't mind me asking for that. If you had to choose 3 coins for quality returns, what would they be? Right now, Ripple 757. That was a good question. My 3 coins are Omise Go, and Qtum, and I would like to get more of these dividend-paying cryptocurrencies. So maybe I will consider some Neo. But you know what? When I look at and compare Neo and Qtum, sorry for keep talking about Qtum, but it's too vast in terms of the potential here. You know, you just compare the two teams together and the 2 projects together, right? Qtum is just outweighs Neo by a lot. So I'm sorry to say this, but I just look at stuff like that, okay? And the backers are just very strong. So maybe if Neo could kind of bring up their advisory board, so have some very big powerhouses coming on board, yeah, that would spike the price. ETC, please. ETC has very, very poor volume. I'm not saying fundamentally they cannot change their stars, but the wallet, okay, I gave the call to switch out ETC to Qtum when the pricing was the same. So when ETC and Qtum were around the $13-14 region, I made a decision, which I've been having ETC for the longest time, and I switched it to Qtum. I just gave that call. You know, so I was having a very big risk because I wouldn't know whether Qtum would really deliver, because ETC has been around for a long time, right? So they are proof of work proof of work kind of algorithm. But on the other hand, Qtum is so new, right? It doesn't even have a mainnet. So I was going purely on the fundamentals of the team, the founder, the connections of the founder. What else? The what they were trying to achieve, right? So what they were trying to achieve was through the UTXO and the Bitcoin blockchain together with the Ethereum virtual machine and being able to communicate with each other. Yeah, so that was my reason. And also I would want to have something that has a stable and increasing volume rather than a dying volume. ETC was dying, right? It has less than 500 BTC being traded on for many days, many weeks in fact. And here you have Qtum having a very strong volume because of all this momentum. Will it die down later? Definitely it will, especially after all the major shilling. Then it will start to pick up again in November again, right? Because when there's more exciting news, November pick up, money will move from one cryptocurrency to another. So I'm looking at OMG Go because I'm now emphasizing on OMG Go, guys, because if you haven't bought in, don't touch Qtum, look at OMG Go, because OMG Go is about to break, right? It has that bullish pennant flag. Okay, sorry about that. I better go to the chart so that you guys can see a visual. So there you go. All right, this is a bullish pennant. This is a one-day candle, by the way, not like I don't look at few minutes or whatever. I look at bullish pennants like this. The larger the candles on a daily, and you look at this upward trend consolidation here, it's about time to break up, man. You're most welcome, Dubai Review. It is a good project. Nothing wrong for you to comment about it. It's a good project. As for OMG has infrastructure, right? You cannot go wrong by picking up OMG, right? Even if you bought now, it tanks back to the same level, buy more. Just buy more because they already have the client base. You know how rare to find cryptocurrencies that already have an existing client base and infrastructure? Very difficult. Trust me. Okay, next. What else? Civic, yes. Okay, for Civic, right? On the other hand, not as attractive. The volume is tapering off, but you can see this uptrend forming for Civic. So Vinny has been pretty active. Vinny has been pretty active of late. So I think that their project needs a little bit more time to fruit. I will be coming up with more information about Civic and OMG Go on my next video. So that is the most important. I want to give you all facts, right? Because my researchers are more familiar with Civic than I am, right? But I've been doing a lot of research on Qtum, so that's why I wanna talk more about Qtum. List entry, okay, LSK already went up too much. You are now not gonna be buying in at a favorable time because people are gonna be taking profit from Lisk, and I want you to be very conservative. So you see, when it's already parabolic like this, you need to see where are the consolidation levels. So if there's, okay, look, it only started to come down recently, so don't even look at Lisk at the moment, Bruce. It's not possible. Would you buy OMG on Exodus? Don't do that, please. It's expensive to buy with Shapeshift. Go and buy Bitcoin and then transfer it to your Bittrex or whatever and buy the OMG. It's cheaper. I think F is about to go vertical. Okay, let's see that. I believe so too, by the way, Ted. I just don't know when, right? Because I mentioned yesterday that Metropolis is going to be pushed back to October. So the only news that could excite people would be Vitalik going to Shanghai from the 14th to the 16th of September. Is it Shanghai or Beijing? Anyway, he's going to have an event there. I think it should be Shanghai. And then from then, there's going to be probably some excitement and momentum. Humanic, I'm actually a bit worried for Humanic now because Humanic is dying in terms of volume. You know, they were so promising previously, and now their volume is less than 100 BTC. So you see, this is the problem, right? And it depends on how long the exchange wants to keep them there. They could be delisted. I'd be very honest with you. This is, in terms of the project, it was fine initially, but when there's no excitement, no momentum, money flows away, guys. You guys do it as well, right? You all take profit from one crypto, you all want to move to another crypto, swing trade or whatever. It's the same thing. What the heck is LKK, man? Like, what is that? Oh, like. Is that like? Wait, what? LKK? What's that? Okay, 0x. Wait, 0x is DNT, right? Okay, 0x I covered yesterday. Oh, ZRX. Wait. Wow. Okay, ZRX. I would say Polo. Polo would be okay, looking at the 30 minutes. Okay, no, I need to look at maybe 1 hour. I don't like to look at something so short. Wow, it's on a downtrend. But you know what? It's so oversold. Yeah, why not? Right? It's so oversold. Christopher, it's best that you do stay in Qtum for the full of September. You should, right? If you exit now, it's like people exiting Neo at a very early stage. Just saying. Is Bitcoin Cash crap? No, man. Bitcoin Cash is not crap. They have a lot of strength. This is okay. So if you're looking for a level to buy, guys, it is already way oversold. So, you know what? Wait, let me just pull up some RSI first before we talk. Obviously, it's oversold. But okay. So now on the 1 hour, it's slightly overbought. But from the 1 day, or longer candles, it's already oversold. So there's nowhere it can go, you know. There's literally nowhere it can go. Like, where is it gonna go, right? So it's already at the bottom already. Okay, guys, I do not know fundamentally how strong are they, how much momentum they have. This is just based on your request, guys. Okay, just your request. Okay, so let me just draw a Fibonacci first, and then we can pick some up. Okay, so you know, it's so cheap at the moment that picking up like anywhere from now, like within this okay, this is a consolidation phase. Okay, it's a consolidation phase. That means if you're going to be picking up this particular crypto, I'm talking about this crypto in particular, you might want to be either taking very short small profits. So you see, the resistance is here. Okay, the resistance is here at 8,455. That's your resistance, right? So you want to be range trading this bugger between the 7,700 to okay, let me see how favorable is it in order to make a profit. Whether is it even worth it? Guys, you're looking at anywhere from 7% to 9%. That's your range. Like, realistically, because the volume is tapering off. It's not that healthy in terms of volume, right? So they have to make sure that they have some roadmap announcement in September, a listing on an exchange or something like that. You know, the same kind of momentum that you would have, right? So if it doesn't have that, then you know, it's best that you don't touch it. What do you think about BCN? I think it bottomed out. Wow, BCN, that's like Bitcoin. Okay. QRL, I think I tried to read about it, way above my IQ level, but it was given tip from a valuable and reliable source. I'm guessing you're not familiar. I've heard of QRL, but I have not invested in it. Okay, wait. Tron ICO, has anyone been able to get any? There was no chance. Okay, the Tron ICO filled up very, very quickly. Very quickly. So the only chance that you're going to get it is probably after the dump. Yeah. Can you talk about BAT browser? Technical, okay. Not a big fan of BAT, but just for you guys. Okay. Firstly, let me see the volume. Let's check the volume first. I like to look at 1 day, guys. The volume is bad, right? Okay. Oh, wait. Maybe not. Okay, kinda okay. There seems to be some news, is it? Okay, is there some news in BET that you want to let me know about? You know, I don't want to pretend I know, but you know, is there some news that you've heard? Looks pretty good. Okay, looks pretty good because if you look on the RSI, the one-day RSI, it's starting to come away from the oversold region, right? So this is the oversold region. It's starting to taper off, and I'm doing a 80-20 by the way. So if there's gonna be some movement upwards, it looks very promising for BET. Yeah, it looks very promising for BET. See, you can see this upward trend. And see this upward trend happening. So if this is your resistance line and you have the nice buying here, I would anticipate, yeah, you might want to re-queue. Maybe you want to re-queue at this point, 5,048. Yeah, pick some up and see what happens. Let's see now. Wait, let me see. Okay, let me just draw the Fibonacci's first. Oh, I think my computer is okay. Yep. Okay, it's looking like it wants to break out, right? Because this is the resistance. Okay, I'm lagging a little bit, guys. I'm lagging a little bit. Yeah, BET could potentially break out. BET could potentially break out, people. Just high level, how will you treat your portfolio in September, October in preparation for the split in November? Cryptosomniac, I would say that I would probably keep my bitcoins staked. I will definitely take profit as per normal. I'm not going to be moving in and out, right? And if there's going to be a hard fork for the 2 megabyte, then so be it, because it is proven that even after such a big split, there's still going to be more. There's going to be money moving into Bitcoin, right? So the only concern that I have is altcoins dipping in volume, because that's just the quiet period, right? November, December. But you never know in crypto. This is gonna be my first year actually experiencing with altcoins. Well, basically the crypto universe having so much liquidity. What's gonna happen? Are people gonna unwind their books? Are investors gonna unwind their books? There are hedge funds that are already asking for advice. So this is where I see that they're gonna start their proprietary trading firms, and that means they're gonna be trading investor money, right? So this is what's gonna happen, and more of these hedge funds are gonna be popping out. Okay, for BET, it's a cup and handle. Yeah, you're right. It's a kind of cup and handle, right? See, you're right. See, a cup, and then a handle, and then there was a break. So theoretically, you would have had to buy during this period, during the breakout. Now, if you buy, it's more on the downside, so you have to wait a little bit. So your emphasis is or your re-entry point would be to test the 5,000 Satoshi mark. Okay, because the 5,000 Satoshi mark should be the support. If it breaks the support, right, then that means basically whatever momentum that is currently here is gone. Bruce, usually it's usually hedge funds only release that in their circulars. They're not gonna let you know, and they may not invest in cryptocurrencies directly. They may invest in the companies. They may invest in derivative products, not directly in the asset itself. I have some XRP that was bought at 10k sats. If the price in USD Tether hit above my buying price, should I sell? Yes, you should. I mean, if you are already in the okay, I completely understand. You are not in the money on the BTC side, but you're definitely maybe in the money on the USD side because BTC prices have increased. So by all means, if you can get away, if you can get away with some small profit on the USD side, then might as well just get away with some profit, because Ripple doesn't seem to want to be a speculative crypto, right? So unfortunately, as a trader, you know, it is very frustrating. You're having your money locked up doing nothing, so you can't work with that. Okay, now mate safe. Okay, mate safe. Oh, wow. Bro, what do you want me to say? It's already up. Right, it's already up, so there's nothing much that I can say. Wait for a consolidation back, or sorry, a pullback to 0.000135. That's all I can say. That has to hold. The candle, let me see, let me look at a 4 hours first. 4 hours is already tapering off. 4 hours is already tapering off, so yeah, the volume is dying for mate, by the way. I mean, as in the momentum is dying for mate. So you kind of have, I guess this trade here was already awesome if you had gone in, or at least around here. Okay, let's not be unrealistic. Let's say here, right? This would be a good level. The 101.19 Satoshi, 0.00010119 ADX. Not very familiar with that. It's an exchange, I assume. Very popular of late. Looks like double bottom with a nice consolidation. It's on Bittrex. I assume that the volume should be healthy. Let me see. Let's see what we're dealing with. 11 million. Yeah, not too bad. Pretty healthy. Why not? Why not? Pick it up. Right? You can pick it up. It's kind of in consolidation mode. It got sold off. It's currently now around here. But okay, wait, hold on. 2727. 2727. So 0.00002727 for EDX would be better. It could fly. Okay, it could fly. So if you're very aggressive, just hit it now. LTC is already LTC already flew, my friend. For a very large cryptocurrency like LTC, you want to make sure that you enter early, not late. Okay, on the 1 day, okay, maybe I might be wrong. For LTC, let's go slightly conservative. Let me just pull up the okay. Your consolidation period, right, would be picking it up anywhere from 0.01 to 0.012. I think your LTC, BTC, this is your period of consolidation here. See, this is the period of consolidation. If you want to pick some up, you can. A little bit, not too much. Okay, Saga Shah. Should I switch to Qtum from ETC at a 20% loss on USD Tether? Wow, I made this call like when it was 1-to-1. Saga, I'd rather you buy OMG. I'd rather you switch out from ETC to OMG. Don't come into this play right now. No, I understand, but I'd rather you buy OMG. I'm not here from the start of the stream, but do you heard about Red Pulse? Oh man, sorry bro, I don't cover much ICOs, but yes, I've been hearing a lot in the chat about Red Pulse. I don't have enough information about it, so I can't comment about it. Elastic, wow, what is that? What does it do? Can you at least say what does it do? What do they do? What does Elastic do? I don't really like the volume. Wait, let me see. Wow, 43 million market cap with 808 total volume. Wait, hold on, let me check out. Oh wow, it's only on what? On only 2 exchanges. What's that? Elastic is like Golem. Oh, it's a shared computing power kind of something like that. It's sharing something, is it? Okay, okay, fine. Okay, it's only on 1 exchange and it only has 808,000. Well, it's a small trade. Okay, I'll just look in the chart, okay? I don't want to be too opinionated about it. Looking at the chart, it's okay to pick it up because it's already like kind of, you know, sold down. But be forewarned that if you buy it and the volume starts dying out just like Humanic, then you're going to be stuck. Okay, fair enough. But since it's on it's on Bittrex, so well, hopefully there's going to be some announcement. My advice is to look at their Twitter, look at their Slack channel, look at their roadmap before you justify jumping in. From the technicals, it's already oversold. Okay, it's way oversold on the technicals on the 1 day, so it's okay to like kind of buy it. But whatever reason that you're deciding to buy it, make sure that you don't go in like crazy, okay? Because it's only 808,000 US dollar volume on Bittrex. It's only 1 exchange. Fog computing like Golem, okay. Ember coin is proof of stake for EBM, okay. Okay guys, need to hit DCR, okay. Decred, oh man, Decred has had a good run, isn't it? Right, Decred has a good run. Okay, looks like a possible resistance might turn support. Okay, resistance might turn support. The resistance is currently at this point, so you're gonna probably see some selling off, and there has to be some momentum because it's already overbought. Yeah, takeaway, really buy OMG, man. Right? I mean, you wanna buy it, you can buy OMG. It's the most potential. I don't have like a whole bunch of stuff for you guys to buy, but you can do that. Yeah, so Decred, Decred looks like it's already on reversal mode. So support come resistance, yeah. Entering anywhere from now to maybe you get lucky, you can get back in at 0.0077 for Decred. Okay. Alright guys, thanks so much that it comes to the end of the stream. God bless and see you guys soon.